What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we all know that there are problems that we're having with Shibarium. If you didn't know, Shibarium was released recently during the Toronto Blockchain Futurist Conference. And, it was a whole presentation, 15, 20 minutes or so. And it was definitely had its ups and downs, where you had a lot of information. You had a lot of kind of filler content, honestly, that we didn't really need. But the point is that we got Shibarium, and a lot of people were excited. A lot of people were happy to use it and ready to go, right? Once they said that things were live, people were ready to get in there, and they were taking their steps in order to do that, right? Going over to shib.io and clicking on Shibarium, going to Shibarium, that it is live, all of this stuff. But people were having some issues, right? Some people, right? I'm having issues, but not the issues that you see that are front page news, right? So definitely a lot of transactions, a lot of people that wanted to get in there, a lot of refreshing. It's kind of like a sneaker drop or something, some sort of brand new drop of clothing or whatever, right? Something that's very popular. The website kind of like crashes for some people, but that's not the main issue, right? It's not about the website, it's about the money or the funds that were stuck. And if people have funds that are stuck, a lot of people are claiming the same thing. They're all saying scamish. They're all saying the presentation was scamish and just all of this other stuff. And I released a video talking about how Shiba Inu is not a scam. I honestly can't sit here and speak for Shibarium and everything else that they're creating. I would assume that it's not. But, I'm not going to say that 100% that it's not a long-term situation that they're dealing with here. But I definitely don't really think that. If I think anything about the ecosystem dev team, it's just that they're more, money hungry, and they care about building their own project rather than building on top of Shibarium, right? So not really scamish, but you take that for whatever it's worth. But I wanted to talk about, again, coming from Satoshi himself, what we know, what's happening, and kind of go through this little blurb, this little article that he has written, and then kind of give you my opinions as well as that, and also look at some of the positions. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Also, if you want to check out my referral links that are down below for different exchanges and credit cards, definitely check that out. Now, like I addressed in my first video, but you might not have seen it, I am in Disney right now, and I'm dressed as Fear from Inside Out, and this is an accurate costume. I like it. I actually don't think I have to wear it to the park, which is good because for the daytime, it's a little bit hot wearing this sweater. So anyways, we're not here for that. What we are here for is, Shibarium information, Shiba Inu information to understand the different prices. Now, let's look at how things are moving, because if you didn't know, the market completely flipped onto its head. It's fallen pretty hard, and we've seen everything that has kind of, taken that drop. So currently, if we look at Shiba Inu, we're seeing this down about 4%. Let me make sure that everything's showing on the screen. Yes, it is down about 4% on the day, but this isn't due to Shibarium and the launch that's there, but it is down 4%. I do want to look at Bone and see what's happening there as well, because remember, the market's down a lot. It's down to $1.25. So not really too much further than where it was, even though it is a heavy drop from the peak point of like $1.75 or so. And then I also want to look at Leash as well and see exactly where that is. Currently, that's down about 3.6%. So the largest drop is Shiba Inu, but Leash being down to $456.19 as of the time of recording this video. So anyways, for me, when I go over to Shibarium, I went to shib.io and went into Shibarium. If I go back here, I get a blank screen. I'm not able to get in. I think I had one time to where things refreshed and then it went to a blank screen again. So I've been having issues even getting in there and making well, now this is the first time that it actually officially loaded for me. Oh, there we go. See, that's exactly what happened. It went up, and then I thought it was going to load and stay there, but it apparently didn't. So it was an issue, and it still is an issue. But that's not the issue that everybody's having. The issue that everybody's having is more, about the funds that are stuck, right? So let's go through a Shibarium update which came from shib.io, is Shibarium Update, their blog. So Shibarium Scaling Update 1. Hello, fellow Shibarians. As you all are aware, due to the incredible popularity of Shibarium, we experienced a level of traffic that was unexpected, even by our standards. Throughout the process of us scaling operations to support the massive influx of Shibarium users, we will post updates to let you know where we are the process. This is the first update. What we know thus far. Shibarium received millions of compute units of traffic within moments, as posted yesterday. In fact, as we slowly and carefully investigated where the problem exactly took place and found thousands upon thousands of contract creation and normal transactions in one block. At this point, the amazing system of Shibarium, proudly a fork of Polygon, went into fail-safe mode and stopped to ensure funds are safe. And they are. Next steps, knowing the issue, we called in the support of some powerful friends. Is that how you spell friends? Who we will name later with their permission, to help alongside our Shibarium devs and the unification team, who have spent tireless hours working to scale our beloved blockchain. We have identified multiple possible plans of action, and we will keep you updated as we execute to bring up the blockchain. So the FUD, so there has been FUD. Obviously, you've seen a lot of videos, and I've created some doubts as well, understanding that we have to get the information out and see what people are saying in the comment section. But some things were spread by pictures, some things were spread by just statements, and then also doctored pictures, doctored conversations, or I don't really know if they were, honestly, because we don't know what the true conversation was like. That hasn't been released. Usually I would let FUD roll off my back. That's not true. Come on. But for a fake screenshot posted today caused incredible harm to our state. And I'm actually surprised so many new outlets would consider a fake post aligned with bot activity to be the source of truth. I'm currently assessing the damage from such activity and will call upon X to help identify the culprit, so they can be brought to justice. Such attacks upon our system by bad actors will not be tolerated. Moreover, you should assume only information from official outlets are true, and even larger media outlets quoting social media because it could be incorrect. Still not convinced. We stand by the statement that the funds paused in the bridge are safe, and as a result have chosen to insure the entire amount of $2 million in case there is any issues after Shibarium is restarted. I wonder where that came from. So there's an update tomorrow. Tomorrow they'll send an update to inform the Army of the status of Shibarium scaling. Now, this doesn't really release any type of information. It just kind of wants to reassure people that things are safe, and that there has been FUD out there, but it hasn't really kind of fought this FUD head on. I haven't seen any of the information, and nowadays everybody in crypto needs to see the true detail of what was said, and maybe it has come from a source that's usually has a history of bots or whatever, right, and is a completely doctored photo. I don't know, right? That's my honest opinion, is I don't know, but the best way to know is to get the information, and that's kind of what we all want. So I guess we just have to wait and see how they fight this thing and what other information we can get out of it. But this is everything that we can bring to you about Shibarium, what's happening in the market today, what's happening with Shib, what's happening with Bone, what's happening with Leash. And they're not falling as much as some other things in the market like XRP, and maybe Algorand and stuff like that. So definitely, I would say if you have any type of funds, you maybe want to be greedy today because people are fearful. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this overall situation. I gotta go to, I think we're going to, I don't know what park we're going to today, but it should be fun. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this, and I hope I'm not because it is very, very hot. So I know we're gonna be wearing it later, but I don't know if I just know this is hot, and then the shirt underneath is hot, and it's like 1,005 degrees outside. So I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.